You know, one of the best parts of my job as the Dean of the Pie Academy is reading all of your wonderful emails. At least most of them are wonderful. I do get my share of complaints from time to time, but very few of them actually are personal in nature. And in fact, many of them have to do with the challenges of cooking for just one or two people. So folks will write and ask me for advice on how to adjust a recipe so it makes 2 or 3 servings instead of 8, because they might want a portion or 2 for the next day or for the freezer, but not enough leftovers to feed an entire army. People will tell me that they want a nice meal, but they're tired of spending good money on takeout or anonymous delivery food that arrives cold and often gets tossed. And more than a few say that they'd like to do even more cooking at home, but they're either uninspired or less than confident in the kitchen, or they just don't know what to make. Well, I get it. It's just my wife Bev and I at home, so I understand all of these challenges. And I've learned some valuable lessons and some great recipes along the way. And now I want to share them with you in a new series that I'm calling Cooking for Two or Just You. Now, these live classes are designed for everyone, whether you're just a beginner cook, an advanced cook, or somewhere in between. Most of the recipes take 30 minutes or less of prep time. And you're going to love the variety that we have in store for you. We're going to revisit some dishes you might not have made in a long time, or maybe ever, like cheesy spinach stuffed chicken breast. I'm going to teach you how to put a fresh spin on some familiar favorites, like we do with this incredible vegetarian cauliflower parmesan. And we'll whip up a quick brunch or dinner hash with a couple of the healthiest veggies out there, sweet potatoes and kale. We'll do a creamy mustard and Parmesan chicken, baked fresh salmon with miso glaze, Mongolian beef and broccoli, and an easy peasy goat cheese and greens frittata. We're even going to make Bev's favorite crispy low country shrimp burger, inspired by our love of coastal South Carolina where we used to live. And we'll do all of this plus a salad and a side in 7 one-hour, more or less, classes in January and February. On Super Bowl Sunday, we'll do the class on Saturday. So you get all of this, plus advice on cooking gear, food shopping and leftover strategy, real-time commenting and questions, which our class attendees really love, and an awesome community of dedicated Pie Academy cooks to share the whole experience with. And as always, there's lifetime access to the recipes and the class replays. So why don't you join us? It'll be a great way to spend those cold, gray winter afternoons, level up your cooking game, and add a bunch of tasty new recipes to your mealtime rotation. Now, you'll find the sign-up links below, including the option to gift these classes at a very attractive discount to someone you love. And wouldn't that make a thoughtful gift this time of year? Let me know if you have any questions. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.